I've got the perfect dish for your Halloween party, cheesy buffalo dip. It's orange, it's spicy, and your guests are gonna love it.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
So I'm gonna start by cooking off my chicken. I've got chicken breasts here. They can be thighs, it can be rotisserie chicken, it can be already cooked chicken. I'm gonna throw them right here on our sheet tray. So I've got kosher salt and also some pepper. Chicken breast is really lean, so I'm gonna put a piece of butter on top of each breast so that it is sort of auto-basted with delicious flavor. We're gonna cut an onion. And we're gonna julienne this, which means we're gonna get some strips. Beautiful. Now let's get these onions on the chicken. That was easy. Now we're gonna bake it off for 30 minutes until it's tender, and then we'll shred it apart. Now we're gonna make the rest of our filling. This is what's gonna give us the orange color, the spiciness, and all the delicious flavor. We've got some softened cream cheese. We've got some buffalo-style hot sauce. Woo! Ranch dressing, and finally some cheese. The pre-shredded stuff is gonna have all kinds of anti-caking agents in there, which reduces flavor and reduces meltability. Let's mix it together. This is not gonna mix well if the cream cheese isn't room temperature. And I would say that we're good. All right, chicken's looking good. So I'm shredding the chicken rather than chopping it because now it's gonna break along the natural fibers. Got our chicken like basically shredded. Let's mix it in with our cheesy sauce. I'm looking forward to this. So now I'm just mixing this all together. I really want to eat this right now. All right, now I've got my favorite pan in all the land, and I'm just gonna put this right into it. When you've got a dip, you need something to dip into the dip. So I'm using pizza dough. I'm gonna make rolls. Here's my dough. It's been sitting out at room temperature. It's pliable, so I can make some shapes. But the best part of this is the rolls and the dip are gonna bake at the same time. Take my dough, try and get 10 rolls out of this. 10, great. I'll take the dough ball, I'll sort of fold the bottom into itself on the counter like this. And there we've got a ball. All right, so we just put our pizza dough balls right on top of our dip. I got 10 dough balls. I'm using a 10-inch skillet. I'm gonna bake this at 450 for 25 or 30 minutes until it's golden brown on the dough balls and bubbly in the dip. I gotta say, this looks really delicious and it smells even better. Why don't we brush the rolls with a little bit of melted butter? Beautiful, fantastic, buttery rolls with the aroma of freshly baked bread intertwining with the spicy buffalo hot sauce and all that cheesy goodness. I think we just need one more visual thing here, and that is chives for some color contrast and that zing to cut through all the richness. Let's head over to the herb garden. All right, we got some chives right here. You know, I paid for this plant just once. It keeps giving me food. Incredible. Easiest way to cut chives is with a pair of scissors. There we have it, cheesy buffalo dip, the perfect crowd pleaser for your Halloween party. This is only $1.20 a serving. I can't wait to dig in. Here's how you'd serve it if you were having a party, right? You'd just set this out, take your hand, grab a roll. I'm dipping. It's hot. It is cheesy. Woo! Do you see the steam coming off that? Oh, that is good. Creamy, salty, doughy, spicy, addictive. This is gonna be a crowd pleaser at your Halloween party, 100%. Candy? No thanks. Cheesy buffalo dip. Sign me up.